Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to another special property in Lakeshore Landing on gorgeous Seneca Lake.
This is an amazing property, so let's take a tour.
This is premier lake-level waterfront living at 5902 East Lake Road. With a cathedral ceiling great room with a spacious dining area and living area with great natural light, all with a wall of windows with breathtaking lake views and deck access. Imagine preparing waterfront meals in the galley kitchen with beautiful cabinetry and a spacious foyer with great storage and laundry, all with those lake views. This home also features 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including this waterfront owner's suite with deck access and a spa bathroom perfect for relaxing with a jacuzzi tub. This is the Dream Lake lifestyle with a 2-tiered maintenance-free deck overlooking the lake level, approximately 195 feet of shale beach with your own private point, with panoramic lake views and spectacular southern exposure.
Lakeshore Landing is a very special community in the heart of wine country on the east side of beautiful Seneca Lake.
This waterfront community enjoys private access to a 184-foot beach and boat launch with nearby Sampson State Park.
Rob, this is a great place.
This is amazing Sampson State Park, which features over 2,000 acres for all your outdoor activities. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Seneca Lake. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this special property on gorgeous Seneca Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!